Hello everyone. So this is my battery pack. I already soldered it, and in the previous video you can see that we soldered each 4 cells on parallel, and then we have 7 cells, each cell content of 4 batteries, and then we soldered them in series. Here our negatives, here's a positive, so positive to negative, and then negative to positive, and then positive to negative, and then negative to positive, and then positive to negative, and negative to positive, and here's our positive terminal, and here our negative terminal. So you can see here that I didn't put much connection between the positive and negative here. I just made 1, 2, 3. Didn't make it 4 because I'm not gonna draw more than 5 amps, because the motor for the electric scooter is only 120 watts, so it draws only 5 amp. So I think these can hold more than 10 amps. So no worry about that. And we can make the measuring for the battery. So you can see here negative, positive, and 29.2 volt exactly. So in order to make this battery pack working for the scooter, not only for one times, we need it for many times. So we need to charge it and discharge it. So in order to make that, we need a BMS, because the BMS is the things that make this battery charge in balance. I mean, don't make any of these cells go away of balancing. So, and that will make some of the cells take a higher charge, and some of them will take low charge. And for example, this cell will get more than 4.2 volt, and the other cell will get less than 3.8 volt, and that will be out of balance. And although the voltage will be 29, but the cell itself will go out of balance and will be overcharging, and that will make damage for the cells and maybe make some fire. So in order to make this battery pack working for the scooter, we need to have a BMS, and it's a balance protection system. So and I already ordered one yesterday, so hopefully it will came in maybe next 2 weeks, and when I receive it, then I will shoot a video also for how to connect the battery pack to the BMS, and in order to make the battery pack safe for charging and discharging. So until then, till I get the BMS, we're gonna wait, but I hope I can make a video about how to, what is the construction of my CD welder. So, and maybe also how to make the battery holder that I use for holding the battery. And you can see here the battery pack, they have a lot of spaces in between, and that's good for cooling the battery. But although we're never gonna discharge more than 5 amps, but that will be also good for cooling the battery. But this way it's perfect for the battery pack that draw more than 20 amps, 40 amps. I can let the airflow go inside and between the batteries and make a good cooling. for the batteries while discharging or on the high current. So hopefully I can make another video for the what is the construction of the CD welder, and maybe show some block diagrams or schematics or whatever I have, and that can help building this CD welder. It's very easy CD welder, and I don't think it's gonna need a lot of skill to make it. So maybe it will cost much, but will be easier to build. Not so much, but acceptable. I think it's a acceptable cost for building CD welder with this efficiency. So yeah, I think it's a good soldering here, and very rigid soldering. So until then, thanks for watching.